Today we're going to talk about Novo versus Relay and which business bank account is better. If you don't know, my name is Darcy. I help people start businesses, start investing, and start building wealth. One of the keys to starting your business is getting a good business bank account that is going to set you up for success. And so by the end of this video, you're going to know which business bank account is best for you. And if you're wondering, why can't I just use my personal account for everything? There are three main reasons why you wouldn't want to include your business money with your personal money. The first reason is that when you have a business bank account, you are protecting yourself. And so you are separating you from your business. And this is important because if you were to get sued and have all of your money in one account, that person could come after not just your business assets, but your personal assets like your house and your car as well. And so to protect yourself, it's important to set up a business bank account. The second reason why you would have a business bank account is that it makes things easier, especially when you need to pay taxes. And so when you have a separate business account, you can easily see the income as well as the expenses that you spent on your business. And this could save you from paying thousands of dollars in additional taxes. And then the third reason why you would want a business bank account is that it helps you get additional funding. And so if you're hoping to win business grants, get business credit cards, or get a business loan, you want a separate business bank account, as this shows you're serious about your business and you conduct your business as a professional. And so if you set up the business bank account now, you won't have to worry about it later on. Let's now get into what you should pay attention to as I review these companies. You should see what is most important to you. Is it getting interest on your money sitting in your business bank account? Is it great customer service? Or are you looking for a business bank account that's more tailored towards freelancers, contractors, and sole proprietors? These are all important factors that you want to consider when choosing the best bank account for your business. And so when you consider account fees, neither one of these banks have a monthly balance requirement, which is a really nice benefit with online banks like this, which you don't often get with big national banks. Now let's compare the type of business owner each of these business bank accounts is for. So when it comes to Novo is best for sole proprietors, freelancers, contractors, and business owners. And then let's compare that with Relay. To get a business bank account with Relay, you do need to have a LLC or corporation. Now let's talk about ease of setup. Novo by far is the winner in this category. It is very easy to use. Within 24 hours, you can know whether or not you were accepted for the Novo business card. And I would say most businesses get accepted. And then when it comes to how easy it is to use, they have both a mobile and desktop version. The desktop has everything laid out very clearly, you know where each section is. There's not too many buttons to press. It's very simplistic with a nice and simple white and blue design. And then compare that with Relay. Sometimes it takes anywhere between 4 to 7 days to find out whether or not you are approved for a Relay account. Also, they have a very vibrant green color that stands out, but it could come across as a bit busy for small business owners. And so when it comes to the ease of use, the win goes to Novo. Now let's talk about third-party integrations. And so when it comes to Novo Bank, they're by far the best business bank account when it comes to partners that they work with. And so you can easily connect your PayPal, Stripe, and Square account to Novo. In addition, if you run an Etsy or Amazon business, it seamlessly connects to your Novo bank so that you can easily track your income and expenses in your business. In addition, Novo also connects with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. And so if you're looking for a business bank account that is connected with a lot of different platforms, Novo is a great option. And now let's compare that with Relay. When it comes to third-party integrations, Relay just connects with accounting software, as Relay was originally created for bookkeepers. Unfortunately, there's no more partners like there are with Novo. And so the win goes to Novo Bank when it comes to third-party integrations and partners that they work with. Now let's talk about savings account. And so with Relay Bank, you can open up a savings account in addition to your checking account. And so with the savings account, you can earn anywhere between 1 to 3% interest. I put the interest that you could earn with a Relay savings account right here so that you can take a screenshot if you need to. And then let's now compare that with Novo Bank. Unfortunately, Novo doesn't offer a savings account, which means that your money isn't making money while sitting in that account. It is not as important to you, and if your business doesn't have cash just sitting in the account, then Novo could be a great option. But if you want to benefit from additional interest on your account, then Relay can be a really great option. In addition, within Relay, you can have up to 20 checking accounts and 50 debit cards, either virtual or physical cards. So there's a lot more functionality and options that you can choose within Relay. Now let's compare both these banks when it comes to customer reviews. And so Novo has a 4.4 star rating with over 4,000 reviews on Trustpilot. And so most people have a lot of good things to say about Novo. And then we have some of the negative reviews. A few customers have voiced frustrations around trying to get in contact with customer service, because as of right now, most businesses can only reach Novo through chat, but not through a phone call. And so it can be kind of frustrating talking to a chatbot when you want to talk to a real person. Now let's compare that with Relay. Relay has a 4.6 star rating, which is a 0.2 higher rating than Novo with 1,000 views. And so although Relay is a newer bank, it has a lot of happy customers and it has good customer service. As you can reach Relay by phone Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so the win for best reviews and customer service goes to Relay. Now let's talk about additional funding. And so if you're looking for the option of getting more funding and having access to more cash, then you can get that with Novo, as they have a merchant cash advance option where you can get up to $70,000 within 24 hours if you qualify for their Novo Cash Advance. Now let's compare that with Relay. They don't offer any lines of credit or merchant cash advances. And so the win when it comes to being able to get additional funding with a business bank account goes to Novo. And to wrap things up, Novo is a great business bank account for people who are just getting started with business. And so whether you're a freelancer, a contractor, or a small business owner that's just getting started, Novo is a great beginner-friendly bank account. And then we have Relay. It's great for businesses that have employees and multiple different revenue streams in their business. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and make sure to check out this video right here so that you can protect your home with a virtual office.